Hello and welcome. Today I have another ink review video for you. This one is called Violet Clouds and it's by Robert Oster, and it looks like there's some shimmers in there, so we better shake this up and get the cap off. Whoever put these together last time I ordered my samples, they did a really good job of making sure they were not going to come loose, so that's great. The last thing you want is ink spilling in transit. So, all right. Let's go ahead and get some ribbons around here. There we go. So far, it's a really pretty purpley color. Let's get this on here. Violet Clouds by Robert Oster. And I'm going to go ahead and put this under the fan to dry, and I will be right back. That's how it looks so far. All right, we are back, and I've got some copy paper here. And I always like to test my inks on copy paper because you never know if maybe you're going to be in a situation like you're at work or school and you want to try an ink, but maybe you don't have your fancy papers with you and you just want to know how this is going to behave. And I think I forgot to shake it, so just in case, I'll go ahead and shake it. And I'll do one extra swatch just in case I did forget. There we go. All right, because I do believe this has some shimmer to it. It is Violet Clouds, yes. And this is copy paper. All right, that's how it looks so far. Very pretty. Definitely a violet-y, maybe a violet-y pink or something. Very pretty. We'll let that dry off to the side. And we're going to test this also on some HP32. Oops. Looks like I dragged it through something. Let me turn that over. There we go. Alright, we do not want anything to contaminate our test. Let's shake this. And we'll get some ink. Alright, and HP32 paper is just another type of copy paper, but it has a nice finish on it, so the ink tends to pool, and sometimes you get to see some special effects of the ink on this paper, so it's a really good budget option. Alright, this is Violet Clouds, and this is HP32. And if there are any inks that you would like to see me review, leave a comment or suggestion below, and if I have the ink or if I can get it, whoops, then I will do a review video. Okay, and that is how that looks on HP32 so far. We'll give it some time to dry over here, and we also have some Tomo River paper. So I'm going to just shake this up real fast. Okay, that looks good. Get that in here. Alright. And Tomo River typically does a really good job of showing off the different properties in the ink. So I always like to do a couple swatches on here. Alright. And this is Tomo River. And I'm going to draw some lines here. And if these videos are helpful to you at all, or if you just enjoy watching them, don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you can see more. There we go. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and check on our swatch and see if it's dry. I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. So here's how this looks on copy paper. It behaves extremely well. So this would be totally fine if all you can get is some cheap paper. And it's a good thing I shook this bottle because it does look like right here you can see that shimmer really well. It's a beautiful, like a blue silver or something. Very pretty. It almost looks purpley, but I wonder if that's just the ink sitting on top of it. But you don't see the shimmer so much in here because I didn't shake the bottle first. So definitely shake the bottle. But yeah, this is a beautiful color. Very nice, softer purple color. And then here it is on HP32, and you can see this has an even better color on here, just more saturated, and the shimmers show up really, really nice here. Hopefully the camera will pick those up. It's a very subtly, like I want to say a blue silver is what it looks like to me. Very soft, and not over the top shimmer either. And then there's a lot of shading here in the ink, in the writing. So in a way that's kind of nice, because sometimes the shimmers can be so intense that they take over the writing, but this doesn't do that. So that's really nice. And then here it is on the Tomo River, and here you can see where the color breaks out. You can see lots of pink in there and blue, and lots of shading. And then of course that beautiful blue silvery shimmer. It's so pretty. And then in here in the writing you can see lots of shimmer, or sorry, not shimmer, a lot of shading. Very pretty color, a very unusual shade of purple, and very nice. And then here it is on the swatch, and you can see all the different colors. So you've got this beautiful purple, of course, with this lovely halo shading in the ribbons, and some more shading through here. And then right through the middle, there's this band of pink, and up the side here, there's some pink. So this is a really complex color. It's very pretty. And I'll leave a link down below where you can find this. Thank you so much for watching. You have a great day.